Welcome to the Best Startup Idea Ever podcast, where unique ideas can open up entirely new markets. In today's episode, we'll explore 3 products that may seem very different, but share one thing in common: they all aim to improve everyday life. From a natural sports drink for athletes, to a fun tool for decorating eggs during the holidays, and even a smart plant pot for nature lovers. Each story is proof that when you truly understand what people need, you can create something both different and memorable. Story 1. Let's talk about something we all need: hydration. But not just any kind. Today's story is about turning a simple drink into a smart business. This is the journey of Electra Sports Drink, a natural and powerful hydration solution built for athletes, and built with purpose. Now, the world of sports drinks is full of big names and flashy labels. But many of those products are packed with sugar, artificial colors, and chemicals you can't even pronounce. That's where Electra is different. It was created with a clear mission: to offer a healthy, all-natural drink that actually helps your body recover, not hurt it. Electra Sports Drink uses only natural ingredients. No additives. No nonsense. Just clean, effective hydration. It's designed for both professional and amateur athletes, anyone who sweats, trains, pushes their limits, and needs to get their energy back. Whether you're playing basketball on the weekend or training for a marathon, Electra is built to support you from the inside out. What also makes Electra stand out is its unique formula and range of flavors. It's not just water with a splash of sugar. It's a science-backed blend that supports muscle recovery, energy balance, and rehydration, all without sacrificing taste. And because of that, Electra has become more than just a drink. It's becoming a lifestyle brand for active people who care about what goes into their bodies. Electra got a chance to shine on Shark Tank in season 12. The founder pitched the product with passion and purpose. Although they didn't land a deal, they gained something just as valuable: visibility. The exposure helped bring Electra to a wider audience, and the message was clear: people are ready for a smarter sports drink. And Electra didn't stop there. The company took a bold step into a completely different field: environmental sustainability. In partnership with 3 Fires Group, they formed a joint venture focused on recycling lithium-ion batteries. That's right, from sports drinks to clean energy, Electra is expanding its mission in creative and meaningful ways. So what's the big lesson here? A good product can open the door, but a strong mission builds the future. Electra didn't try to be the loudest brand. They focused on what mattered: health, quality, and sustainability. They listened to the needs of real people, athletes who wanted better hydration, and they delivered it in a way that was honest and effective. Then, they dared to think bigger. They asked, what else can we do to make an impact? And that's how they moved from drinks to environmental action, not by accident, but by staying true to their core values. For any aspiring entrepreneur, this is a powerful reminder: start with a problem worth solving. Build something real, something people can trust. And once you have their attention, don't stop there. Keep growing, keep improving, and always stay open to where your mission might take you next. Electra didn't just build a drink. They built a brand with purpose, and that's how you create something that lasts. Story 2. Every holiday brings its own magic. And sometimes, that magic is found in the most unexpected places, like a decorated egg. Today's story is about a product that turned a simple tradition into a successful business. It's called the Eggmazing Egg Decorator, a fun, creative, and colorful way to decorate eggs without any mess, and with a whole lot of joy. Traditionally, decorating eggs has been a messy process: paint spills, stained fingers, and lots of cleanup. But the creators of Eggmazing saw an opportunity. What if decorating eggs could be cleaner, easier, and more fun for everyone? And that's exactly what they built. The Egg-mazing egg decorator is a clever little machine that holds a wooden or plastic egg and spins it while you draw on it with colorful markers. The spinning motion creates smooth, striped patterns that look like mini works of art. It's simple to use, safe for kids, and enjoyable for adults, too. One of the best things about this product is that it removes the stress from creativity. You don't have to be an artist. You don't have to worry about paint or drying time. You just pick your colors, let the egg spin, and enjoy the process. Each egg becomes one of a kind. What started as a fun holiday product quickly gained attention. Families loved it. Teachers used it in classrooms. Crafters started sharing their creations online. The company appeared on Shark Tank, and the idea took off from there. The beauty of Egg-mazing is not just the product itself, but the experience it creates. It brings people together. Parents and kids can sit at the table and create memories. Friends can decorate together during holidays. It's not about perfection, it's about joy, connection, and creativity. And here's the big lesson for entrepreneurs: sometimes, you don't have to invent something completely new. You just need to make something better. The tradition of decorating eggs has been around for generations. But Egg-mazing made it easier, cleaner, and more fun, and that was enough to turn a small idea into a thriving business. They found a common problem, messy egg decorating, and solved it in a delightful way. They focused on simplicity, accessibility, and user experience. And because of that, they didn't just create a product, they created a moment. A moment that kids look forward to. A moment that families remember. So if you're dreaming about starting your own business, take a moment to look at the traditions, hobbies, or routines around you. Is there something people love, but wish was easier or more fun? That's where opportunity often hides, in the little things, waiting to be improved. Egg-mazing egg decorator reminds us that innovation doesn't always mean high-tech or complicated. Sometimes, it means adding a spin, literally, to something familiar and making it wonderful again. Ding, ding. Story 3. Have you ever tried to grow a plant indoors, only to watch it slowly wither and die, even though you watered it and gave it sunlight? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people love the idea of having plants in their homes. Greenery brings life to any space. It reduces stress, purifies the air, and simply makes us feel better. But taking care of plants? That's a different story. It can be confusing, time-consuming, and frustrating, especially for beginners. That's exactly the problem EDN set out to solve. EDN, which stands for Environmental Data Network, is a company that created a smart indoor planting system. Imagine having a small garden in your living room that tells you exactly what it needs. How much water? How much light? Is the temperature right? EDN's product does all that. Using sensors and smart technology, it tracks everything your plant needs to grow: moisture, light, temperature, and gives you real-time updates. You don't have to guess anymore. It's like having a plant coach in your home. But EDN didn't just stop at giving you information. Their system also automates parts of the process. It waters the plant at the right time, adjusts lighting when needed, and helps you choose the best conditions for growth. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced gardener, EDN makes the experience easier, smarter, and more rewarding. This kind of innovation stands out because it connects nature with technology in a meaningful way. It takes something as traditional as growing a plant and brings it into the digital age, without losing the beauty and simplicity of the process. The best part? EDN isn't just a gadget for tech lovers. It's designed for everyone: busy parents, apartment dwellers, students, or anyone who wants to enjoy a little green space but struggles to keep a plant alive. And for those who love learning, it's a great way to understand how plants really grow. Over time, EDN has shown strong market success. Their sales numbers prove that people are excited about this kind of product, something practical, helpful, and connected to a healthier lifestyle. It's not just a smart planter, it's a solution to a common problem. And here's the key takeaway for entrepreneurs: the best ideas often come from making something easier for people. You don't have to invent something entirely new. Sometimes, all it takes is improving something that already exists, making it more convenient, more accessible, or more reliable. EDN recognized that while people love the idea of indoor plants, many struggled to keep them alive. So they combined smart tech with simple needs, and the result was a product that people truly wanted. So, if you're thinking about starting your own business, ask yourself, is there something people love, but find difficult or frustrating? Can you simplify it with technology, or improve it with design? That's where many great startup ideas begin, not in complexity, but in clarity. EDN's Smart Plant System is more than just a product. It's a reminder that when we combine nature, technology, and real-life needs, we can create something that helps people live better, one green leaf at a time. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. If you find Best Idea Ever stories inspiring or valuable lessons, please share them with your friends. Don't forget to follow the channel to continue exploring other bold startup journeys with me. See you in the next episode, where every idea, no matter where it comes from, can become the seed of a big dream.
Thank you for being here with me.